Want to learn C++? Here's some weirdly cool facts to get you started. C++ is named after the plus plus operator, which increments a variable by 1. Yeah, it's like a math joke. The first C++ compiler was written in C. Talk about inception. C++ was originally called C with classes. Yep, that's how boring the original name was. The creator of C++, Jarn Strastrup, was originally trying to create a language that was a combination of C and Simula. Who knew? C++ is used in operating systems, web browsers, and even some video games. It's like the secret ingredient in your favorite recipe. The most popular C++ compiler is GCC, which is free and open source. Because who doesn't love free stuff? So, there you have it. Ready to dive into the world of C++? Just remember, practice makes perfect, or at least, less buggy.